Given that angle x and angle y form a linear pair, and angle x and angle z are congruent, prove that angle z and angle y are supplementary. It might help to get a visual of this one. So angle x and angle y are a linear pair. So this can be angle x and this can be angle y. And z is another angle in my picture, and z and x are congruent. So if angle x and angle z have the same measure, and angle x and angle y are supplementary, or are a linear pair, it means they add up to be 180. So that means that angle z also has to be supplementary with angle y. So I kind of have the logic behind this. So now I want to prove it. So I've got my givens, angle x and angle y form a linear pair. And also, angle z, or angle x and angle z are congruent. So I'm going to write that as angle x is congruent to angle z. And the reason for that would just be given. So since angle x and angle y form a linear pair, I know that their measures have to add up to be 180. So the measure of angle x plus the measure of angle y has to be 180 degrees. Again, since I'm talking about measurements, I need to put the ends in there to indicate measurement. That would just be because of the definition of a linear pair. I want to be able to substitute z in for x, because that would say that z and y add up to be 180. But I can't do that until I say the measure of angle x is equal to the measure of angle z. And that's just the definition of congruence. Now I can substitute and say that the measure of angle z plus the measure of angle y equals 180. And that's the substitution property of equality. And then finally, I can say that angle z and angle y are supplementary because their measures add up to be 180. The reason for that would just be because of the definition of a linear pair. And there we have it.